considering Windows applications? Why is that switch? I mean, like 5 years ago, 6 years ago, it was all about Windows.
But now almost all the markets are working with our application.
Yes.
So do you guys think that the Windows
Even the business applications are being transformed from Windows desktop-based to web-based?
The thing is, WBF is still
Yes,
is still
we still
there,
have
but
WBF, yeah.
people are more interested in filling the gap between both Windows and web, like in Silverlight case.
Silverlight, but still Silverlight is a web technology.
Yes, but actually it can, you know, when I started working on Silverlight, the first thing you can run it on your desktop, plus you can run it on your web.
Yes.
So do you think that Windows applications are like switching towards Silverlight in future?
Hopefully, I know that most of web applications will be moved to Silverlight.
Yes, I think that's true. So
even with Silverlight 4, we added almost all the required functionality to build the business applications. So there's no excuse now for not using Silverlight.
yep.
2 years ago, Microsoft is focusing on user experience part.
Yeah.
Microsoft is planning to develop a platform or a framework in order to help other developers and third parties to develop their applications on top of this platform. They started with Windows Presentation Foundation and they emphasized this in the web using Silverlight. Now they are merging the Silverlight back to the Windows application and .NET Framework 4. So you have no even it works on Windows Phone mobile. You can Windows Phone 7.
Windows Phone 7, yeah. So another thing which I like is, you know, I'm sure that you guys will be covering it in more detail, is that I can target multiple .NET frameworks at the same time. Yes. So it means I don't have to switch my project to 3.5.
Yeah, I don't have to.
No.
Yeah.
I don't need to have Visual Studio 2008 and Visual Studio 2010.
Yeah, there's a huge misconception behind this because people think that this has been already there in 2008.
Yeah, yes.
But this is not true.
So if I remember, if you know, as me, if I'm working in 2.0 project, I have to work on 3.5 or 3. I have to switch my project and then it reset my web config. Yeah. Sometimes it's very dangerous thing, you know.
The thing is, no, in 4, what you actually can do is simply say that when I say 3.5, everything I see in terms of controls and, you know, the references are actually 3.5. This was not the case in 2008. Yes, yeah, even if you changed to version 2, you are still seeing the controls from version 3.5. Yes. But now in 2010, no, you can actually have the same controls, the same experience as, you know, the older version.
But what do you think about add reference page? Is it still slow or it's fast?
No.
Yeah.
One of my favorite enhancements in 2010 is add reference page now. It synchronously loads the reference.
So you know, it takes, you know,
10 minutes.
Yes, of course. And every time I click on add reference, I go for coffee, you know, because. Yes.
You're on.
Yes, thank you very much. We will be discussing more in our community launch. I want you. We should have like a detailed agenda. You know, how developers can take benefit from Visual Studio 2010. So thank you everyone, and let's hope Visual Studio rocks and we rock here in the academic launch. Thank you very much.
Thank you.